needed to use RB-env. It's definitely useful if you are going to be using different versions of Ruby. It's needed. If you are just doing Sass development and you're a front-end developer, I would say don't do this. Ignore these next 5 minutes. Yes.
Is this like a way to sort of localize all your Ruby stuff? Does this keep projects separate, all your versions and all that?
So this is a way it will install different versions of Ruby into your home directory. So that means, one, you can install gems without needing sudo. And two, it means that if you have one project with Ruby 1.8.7 and another project with Ruby 2.0, you can keep those separate, and it will maintain which versions of Ruby you're actually using. So why would you need not use System Ruby if you're not using different versions of Ruby? This is a fun one. The next version of OS 10 is not going to be using the same version of Ruby you're using now. Yeah, lots of fun. Lots of fun. It's going to upgrade to Ruby 2.0 as opposed to 1.8.7. 1.8.7 was a very, very stable branch. Now 2.0 is, so they're using that. For most Sass development, this shouldn't matter much. There are some things that might happen in Compass that will require 2.0, but that won't happen for another year at best because it needs 2.0, and not everyone should be upgrading it because it's weird. So we have different versions of Ruby, but Ruby installs into your user directory. Requires homebrew, so if you don't have homebrew, you'll need this to install RB-env. You can do this at home later if you want. You don't need to do it right now. If you do have homebrew installed, make sure you